Also, the website pilotcarmap.com is growing incredibly. We signed up in the last 2 weeks probably 70 trucking companies that are now using the map instead of using the paid for ones. In fact, one company didn't even renew their yearly subscription to the other one because we've got more available pilots. And that was another thing, too, real quick. Please update your information. Try to go in at least once a week. Change your date of availability. I know drivers are talking to me daily that they go and they try to find a pilot and they look and see, well, this guy, he hasn't even updated since March. So, why call him if he's not interested? This is a tool for you to use for business. And if you don't update it, there's nothing I can do. I know a few people have said, well, I haven't gotten a call yet. It's not my fault. I don't, this isn't a dispatching. A driver can look on there and see when and where you're available and call you. That's all there is to it. This isn't a dispatching. I don't broker loads. I never have. When a truck driver calls me and I can't do the load, I call a friend, another pilot, and say, hey, he needs someone. Can you do it? Yeah. I said, here's his number. I will not broker loads, okay? It ain't worth it. I don't want it. And so that's just it. Anyway, you guys have a great time. Be safe out there. It's coming to the end of summer now. And things are going to start getting nasty and wet. Hopefully we get to run all winter like we did last year, and we get something done. And oh, by the way, I will let you know this. I have not had a load since February. Okay? I've turned all the loads over to other pilots that I've been called for. My rigs have been breaking down. I've had problems with the family and my health with the open heart surgery and some of my other problems. Heart, lungs, nose, eyes, ears, mouth, throat, stomach. Anyway, from here to here, okay? But the work is out there. They're calling in. They're using the website. So just keep yourself updated. And those that have loads out there on the load board, please, if they've been covered, take them off. There's a few loads that have been on there now for 2 months. And we are writing code as right now, my partner and I, we're writing codes that will give a 5-day leeway. If the load is scheduled to go out on September 3rd, on September 8th, it will be deleted off the map. Okay? So please, take time. It doesn't take but just a few seconds to go in and delete them. And that way you're not bothered with phone calls, and people aren't asking me why are they still there. But we'll soon have that taken care of. Also, we are working on the coding on the pilot car part of it and on the load part of it, that the phone number will be active. So all you have to do is click that and it will dial the phone number for you. That way you can use it on your phone. We're working on the coding to run the map on mobile. Okay, the map right now is just strictly for a large tablet or a tablet and a computer. We're working on the app so it'll work on your phone, but it'll be active phone numbers and active email addresses. So hopefully within the next 6 months or so, we'll get more and more of this out there and going. So please be advised. And like I said, it's free to join. It's free to set up. Use it all you want. Update it every time you go to move. If you know you're going to be in a certain town on a certain day, change your availability date and day to that one. Okay, or the next day, spend the night. and see what's going to happen. That way, because I got a lot of friends that are getting reloaded before they even get to where they're dropping off. So it is working. We are growing. Like I said, we've only been live now since February. So the thing is taking off, and once a lot of the drivers get to know us, they'll be using us more. Take care, be good, be safe. We'll see you later. Bye.